Here's a quick video to show you how I prepare for a track day. I'm going to go over the things I bring with me to the track, and I'll explain why. This might be useful to some of you who are newer to this and don't know, what you should, what you shouldn't be doing, or what's worth taking, what isn't. Because when I was starting out, I figured this out all by myself, just taking everything with me and then realizing what I need, don't need, and so on. So I'll show you what I do, and it should be all you really need if you're not doing anything extreme. So let's get right into it. So here's everything that I've packed into the car to take with me. I'll go over each item one by one, but basically let's start with the wheels. So I'll take the Space Saver wheel out, and I'll just put a full-size wheel in. I don't want to get stuck driving home on that Space Saver. I don't really like them. Then they're fine for around town in an emergency, but the track's about an hour away, so I don't want to be driving on the motorway all the way back with that. So I always chuck a full-size spare in. Depending on the event, I might take two, but my tires are pretty much brand new, so I don't expect I'll need one unless I get a puncture, so that should be enough. I bring my toolkit, which is always in my car anyway. This thing's got everything in it, screwdrivers and stuff, full ratchet set. So I like to bring that with me, so I've got everything in case I need it. Jump starter pack you probably don't need, but it's in the car anyway, so I take it with me. If your battery's good though, you should be fine. Tow rope, self-explanatory. You never know when you might need it, especially when you're racing. I'll bring a jack and a stand so that I can change that wheel. Worst case scenario, if you need another stand or something, you'll probably find somebody else at the track who has one that you can borrow or I guess rent. So yeah, but I like to be prepared, so I'll chuck it in anyway. I bring the brake fluid, spare brake fluid just in case, spare motor oil just in case, and I bring 20 liters of petrol. Reason being is that I know I've just filled up the tank, but I know that even if I use up the entire tank, I can drive home, and I have enough petrol to get home. So that's basically there. It's just my get home gas. So that's that. And bring water. This is a very important one. I don't think anybody drinks enough water, and it's actually really important. And I mean, you want to be, on top of your game and keep your concentration all day long. You don't want to do anything stupid. So lots of water I think is very important. So I've got 6 liters here, which should be enough. And I bring these snack bars. I love these things. They're really the only bars that I eat. Just chocolate and peanut. They taste really good, and they give you a lot of energy, so you can last for a while with them. But obviously you want to eat lunch, and some fruit like a banana would be good as well. And then obviously I bring my helmet and my overalls, which is what you have to wear at the track I'm going to. So got that there. I'm going to pack all this into the car, and then I'll show you once it's all packed and ready to go. Forgot to mention the tire gauge. These are really handy. I always keep this in the glove box of the car. But basically you want to check your tire pressures, find out what tire pressures you should be running for your specific tires. Make sure you keep note of the warm and cold temperatures, because obviously as the tire gets warmer, the pressure increases. So you want to just make sure that you're at the right temperature. It's more to help your handling and your grip, but it's handy to have. They cost like $5 or $10 to get one, so you may as well have it. So I always take that with me as well. Also remember to check all your fluids. Your oil, just do it all over here. It looks good. Make sure you got enough. Your water, coolant. Oh, mine's still warm, but it's full. We'll leave it there. And the brake fluid. Those are the 3 main ones. And if those are all looking good, you should be good to go.